Inferno comic outlaw. I got the visual aids from watching 3 Asian porn. It's bad. That's why I'm so great at internet relationships. I just leave up and turn it on. And how far have we come? The first time you hear a fucking pin drop. I can't hear a fucking thing online. How far have we come? No, there's no terms. But what if they call it like it is? You know, say it like you mean it. Like, I got a soft spot for this person. What you really mean is you got a hard on for this person. And they're always prettying shit up. So why don't they pretty up a problem we have, which is homelessness, and call it home free. No murder. And more Ovaltine, please. I want some more nasty chocolate powder that makes my piece of milk taste like shit and vitamins. No, but I have experienced a product that makes me sing a similar jingle. More Ogilvy, please. But I'm going to have to listen to that. And stupid ideas. A lot of people come to me with stupid ideas and expect me to make them work because I'm a funny guy and I got funny ideas. But you know how old guy was that invented jogging when he went to meet his maker? 46. His organs were jostled to death. Hear that movie? And waffles, they sound really good and they taste okay, but when you're talking about someone that got waffle, it ain't worth a fuck. That's just waffle. And here's a little part of the game I play. I make up this language and make up some shit in that language about some celebrity that really causes me distress and distaste in some way. It's what you know, poop ass no. Alyssa Milano. Thanks, folks. I'm in Woodrow. You have a good time.